Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have California Found. Do you want to see what is inside? Then stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my California Found just arrived, and this is for May. And I'm so excited. I love this box because if you guys don't know, I am a California girl currently living in a Florida world. And not only do they only use small like artisans from California for the items that they put in their box, but it kind of gives me a sense of I'm getting home delivered to my home here, if that makes sense. So I absolutely love this box, and I get so excited to get it every month because I feel like it's a little bit of home brought to me. So let's go ahead and get in here. It always says, hello, sunshine. California is the sunshine state. Well, I think Florida is too. Florida might be the sunshine state. I don't know, but they give you the cards and they go over all of the different items that are in here. So let's go ahead and open this up and see. Now for those that do not know, California Found is a $49 a month plus shipping, but you can use the link down below and you can use my code SheCrafty get 20. SheCrafty, yes. SheCrafty get 20 will give you 20% off your order. So that is awesome. So link down below, SheCrafty get 20% off. So let's go ahead and get into this box and see what is all in here, you guys. They do, most of the time, well, I've noticed they give you a paper product, and the last few months we got some cards, which are amazing. I love getting these cards because I put them in one area. Whenever an occasion or anything comes up that I need a card, I go to that spot and I look through them, and I'm sure I'm gonna have something in there that I can use. So I love getting these just random cards for different occasions and different reasons, just so I can hang on to them for that reason. So let me go ahead and get into this. Now, May, it says, we're excited to bring you this month's collection of unique and lovely California artisan-made products. And one box contains the golden ticket, which entitles the recipient to receive one free box for themselves or to give it to a lucky bestie. So carefully look inside. Good luck, sunshines. Now, every month we set aside 10% of our profits to help organizations doing incredible work in our communities. Again, this month we are continuing to support No Kid Hungry. That is awesome. So they also donate 10% of their proceeds, and this month they're helping them again for No Kid Hungry. That is awesome. So let me go ahead and tell you about these cards right here. Let me find it. Okay. So this is from Darling Daydream, and the featured product is 3 cards in the greeting set, and they are $15. And you can use code Daydream10 for 10% off your first online order of $15 or more at their Etsy shop, which is etsy.com/shop/daydreamco. CO. And there is the beautiful girl right there. And that is their card. So again, Daydream 10. Now the first card says, I am so proud of you. That would be good for graduations coming up. We have, thanks Dad, I turned out awesome. That's good for Father's Day coming up. And happy everything. That's good for any kind of an occasion. So see, I love getting these cards. So yay, I have 3 greeting cards that I can use for anything in the future. Let's go ahead to item number 2, and that is Orange Coast Cali Vibes Candle Company. All natural soy wax, hand poured in Orange County, California. I've been in Orange County several times when I was growing up because I had a really good mall out there that me and my friends would go out to. Of course, it would be to a mall, nothing else, but Orange County was near also Disneyland. I went to Disneyland all the time. Oh my goodness. This smells like raspberry and orange Kool-Aid mixed together. That smells so good. It has 1 wax burner or 1 wick. Oh my gosh, that totally smells like orange and raspberry Kool-Aid made a baby, and this is what it came out with. That scent. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I can't wait to burn this. And if you follow me, you know I am a huge candle junkie. Yes, please, thank you. Give me some more. I'm always so glad to get candles, especially when they smell good. So, this company is Cali Vibes. Featured product is an 8-ounce candle in Orange Coast. So Orange Coast is the scent, and it retails for $18. Use code CAFOUND20 for 20% off your first online purchase at www.calivibes, plural, Candle Co. So calivibescandleco.com. There is that card right there. And this smells so good, let me tell you. Okay, so next item, this must be the jewelry, Silver Willow Studio. There is the label on the box. And, ooh, let me get these out. There is the earrings. Those look really nice and cute and dainty. How cute. Those are really pretty. Those are really pretty. And they look like they're silver. Let me see, where's the card? Silver Willow Studio. Featured product is sterling silver bridge or leaf studs, both valued for $35. So this I would say is the leaf because they're definitely not these circles. I don't know if you can kind of see the different variations right there, but here is the company. And you can go to their Etsy shop, which is Silver Willow Studio Co. and use CAFOUND to receive 10% off your order. And those are very dainty. Sometimes dainty and simple is the best. Simplicity is the best. Okay, so there's a third item. We have 2 more items still in here, you guys. This right here says pistachio oil eye serum with vitamin C. That sounds amazing. There's that. Now this says featured product is the eye serum with vitamin C, retail value for $38. So this is $18, $38. We have $15 for the cards, $38 for this. I mean, you're well over the box every time, and they don't overinflate their pricing. They tell you the exact price. So this right here, again, is valued for $38. You can use code California for 15% off your first online order at pistachieskincare.com. That is how you spell the name right there. And there is that. Ooh, so they must have a whole different line of skincare. That sounds nice. I might want to check that out. And California will get you 15% off your order. So let's go ahead and see a hydrating eye treatment that refreshes the eye area. That sounds amazing. There is the container. Oh, a little pump it up. Let's see. Oop, there you go. Little dab will do ya. And honestly, I was looking for a pistachio scent. I don't really smell anything. I don't really smell anything. I mean, that's kind of good because if you put this on at night, you don't really want a whole lot of scents, like messing with your senses. I don't really smell anything, but it feels amazing. I can't wait to try this on my eyes. Directions: gently dab around eye area in the evening. Manufactured for Pistachio Skincare in Santa Monica Boulevard. No, Santa Monica, California. I threw in the Boulevard. So there's that item. The last item in here, you guys, is Nam Prick. I don't know if you're supposed to be saying prick or if it's preek, or I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is a chili sauce. And I can't wait to try this. I love me some heat. Bring on the heat. Green sauce, red sauce, whatever. I love me some hot sauce, pepper sauce, whatever you want to call it. And I can't wait to try this chili sauce. So let me pull the card. This says Nam something, that word right there. Featured product is 4-ounce bottle produced exclusively for California Found. The 9-ounce bottle is available online and through retailers. See their site for stores near you. They have an Instagram, and then they have their actual website. So they made the 4 ounce just for this particular box. So that is awesome. But it looks like you can get the actual 9 ounce bottle right there. Ooh, look at that food. Can they come cook me some food? I know they won't, I'm just kidding, but I can't wait to try this. So that's what I really, really love about this box, you guys. You normally get a paper product, you normally get some type of a jewelry. I've gotten a few candles, or I've got the diffusers with the sticks that you set out, and it's still in my bathroom and it still smells amazing. And it does last a long time because it's not even all the way gone yet. And I got that a few months back. You always get some type of thing that's associated with food and somehow. Like I said, we've gotten rubs before. Now we're getting this chili sauce that I can't wait to try. I've got full-size shampoo and conditioners. I mean, I just love this box because you find new and exciting things that you never knew were out there, and you're helping local small businesses in California. They give back to different charities every month too, so that is amazing. So this month we got the chili sauce, this candle that smells so good. We got the earrings. We have the eye serum, and we have the 3 different greeting cards that we can use for whenever we feel the need to write a card. So this month's total value will be right here. And that is everything that I have for you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Did you like this box? What was your favorite item in this box? Me personally, I honestly am going to say the candle and the eye cream, because you know I'm a skincare and candle junkie. So, and I'm so excited to try the chili sauce. And I'm glad to have cards. And these earrings are really cute and dainty. So, I mean, I kind of like the whole entire box, you guys. So comment down below, let me know. Your positive interaction means the world to me. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'd greatly appreciate it. And until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours. You guys have a wonderful and safe holiday weekend, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.